day to you all. How are you? Okay, we want to continue with our revision class. And here this morning we're going to be talking about revision on mensuration of plane shape. We have been taught mensuration of plane shape probably in your JSS3 or JSS2. But this very time that you are preparing for external examination, we need to revisit it again. And the subtopic we have is area and perimeter of plane shape. And the few learning objectives we have this morning are: 1, you should be able to write out formula for calculating perimeter of circle, semicircle, and the triangle. Of course, you know we have so many plane shapes. We cannot talk about everything today, but we just pick these 3. And then subsequent lessons, we're going to continue from wherever we stop today. Okay, the second objective, you should be able to write out formula for calculating area of circle, semicircle, and triangle. Here we talked about perimeter, here we're talking about area. And the last thing, you should be able to use this formula to find the area, the perimeter of any given plane shape. Okay. Now you have to recall the simple definition of perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is just the distance around the given plane shape. For instance, when we have a shape like this, which is rectangle, from here to here is a value. Let's say this is 5 centimeter. That means this will also be 5 centimeter. Let's say this is 4. This is also 4. Then the simple definition of perimeter is addition of all these sizes. This plus this plus this plus this should give us the perimeter. Okay, then what do we mean by area? Area is just the amount of space covered by any given plane shape. So if you are talking about the area of this shape now, we are talking about this part that is being enclosed by the perimeter. Okay, and the unit of area is always in square units, which can be millimeter square, centimeter square, meter square, and so on and so forth. Okay, coming to circle. We all know what a circle is. A circle is just locus of points that are closely joined together. And at these, there must always be what we call radius. Okay, sometimes the radius may be given in terms of diameter. And what is diameter? Diameter is just a straight line drawn at the center of a circle, which is 2 radii. Okay, the formula for area of a circle is just pi r squared. That is, in this, our pi is always constant, which can be given in fraction 22/7 or in decimal 3.142. But it must be stated in the question. Okay, we have the perimeter of a circle, which is also the same as the circumference. It can be called perimeter, it can also be called perimeter. We have it to be 2 pi r or pi d. Don't forget I told you diameter is also the same as 2 radii. So that means either you use 2 pi r or pi d. Okay, we have the semicircle. Semicircle is half of a circle. Okay, in this case now, what is the area? That means whatever thing we must have done for this, just dividing the value by 2. In the case of this, the circumference of this is what? Okay, 2 pi r. So when you are now talking about the circumference, which is the perimeter of a semicircle, you have this one to be 2 pi r divided by 2, and I think this one should give us pi r, right? Okay, because this will nullify this. That is from here to here. But since we are dealing with perimeter, there will be need for you to add this radius, which is the same as the diameter. So you can now end up having this one as pi r plus diameter or pi r plus 2 radii. So we can have this one down to the pi r plus 2 radii. Okay, moving on to triangle. In the case of triangle, we have the perimeter. I think we all know what the triangle is: 3-figure or 3-sided polygon. We have this A, B, C. Adding all these sizes together will give us what we call the perimeter, and then coming down to the area. This is very, very much important. When we have a triangle, there are 3 cases in which triangle can be given to you to find the area. And number 1 case is when the base and the heights are known, as what we are going to have here. Then the height is given. Then this is the base. You can be given this to be 4, maybe this one is 6. The area is usually half base times height. I believe you are familiar with that. Coming down to the second case, when two sides and the angle between them, note the angle between them are given. What do we have? This one can be given in this particular form, where you have this to be A and this one to be B. And you now have an angle here to be given. Then you have the formula to be half of A times B, then sine C. Because definitely if you are calling this one A, we are calling this one B, that this is our B, then this will definitely be our C. So we have half AB sine C, or you put it half AB sine theta. And then the last case is what we call the Euros formula. Okay, many of you are not familiar with it, but you just need to learn it today. That is talking about the situation whereby three of the sides of the triangle are given. You are given side A, you are given side B, and you are at the same time given side C. The height is not given, the angle is not also given. How then do you find this area? Then you apply what we call the Euros formula that says area is equal to square root of x into s minus A into s minus B into s minus C. Of course, you know what this A, B, and C, what they represent, and that they are three sides of the triangle, and your s is usually addition of these three sides divided by 2. I want to believe at this point you should be able to find the area of semicircle, perimeter of semicircle, area of circle, perimeter of circle, which is same as circumference, then area of triangle in any form in which it is given. The other material will be sent to you through Google Classroom, where you are going to be having as many as possible examples and even the class tasks. Have a wonderful day. Bye.